Hello everybody, today nice to see you once again. Today I'm going to teach you the past simple 10 question and negative. So let's start together. Now study about form, question. As you can see, this is questions. Did, subject, infinitive. Did I walk? Did you walk? Did she walk? Did he walk? Did it walk or go? Did we walk? Did they walk? Or you can say, did I go? Did you go? Did she go? Did he go? Did it go? Did they go? Or did we go? Or come? This is infinitive verb. So this is the question form of past simple tense. Look, did plus subject plus infinitive for all persons and all verbs. Regular and irregular. Example, did you go? Blah blah blah. Or did you walk? Blah blah blah. Note, not did you went or did you walk. This is wrong. This is wrong. You cannot use this. You cannot write like this. Note. This is not. This means you cannot use this sentence. It's wrong. And now we continue to negative. What is the negative? See the form, subject, did not, infinitive. Example, I did not walk, or I did not go, or I did not come. You did not go, did not walk, or did not come. She did not walk, or she did not go, or she did not come. He did not walk, he did not go, or he did not come. It did not walk, it did not go, or it did not come. We did not walk, we did not go, or we did not come. They did not walk, they did not go, or they did not come. You just remember that did not the same didn't. We can use it the same. Did not and didn't it the same. Continue. Subject plus did not plus infinitive for all person and all verbs, regular and irregular. Example, he did not go, not he did not went. This is wrong. So this is the past simple tense in question and negative. And I hope that you can be understand for past simple tense. We use past simple tense to talk about the past action or the action happened in the past. So this is how the past simple tense is. When you want to talk about the past action, you can use the past simple tense to talk about the past that happened in the past action. Thank you for joining me today for this lesson, and I hope that you will be understand and you can learn more and you know how to do the grammar in English. And don't forget to click the subscribe and click the bell to get more video and have to comment and share. Thank you.